With that, we say good evening. I'm Brad Edwards. Erica Sargent is off. Dan Webb, the special prosecutor investigating the Jussie Smollett case, once said he never met Kim Foxx, didn't know her. Tonight, she's refreshing the special prosecutor's memory in a little thing called a campaign donation he made to Foxx. Charlie DeMar, the fact could be back before a judge this week.
Brad, good evening. Dan Webb says it's not uncommon for him to sign campaign contributions at the request of his partners. He almost always says yes, and Webb tells the court that is how State's Attorney Kim Foxx ended up with $1,000 of his dollars back in 2016. But Webb doesn't remember writing the check, which is why he says he never told the judge, a potential problem for the recently selected special prosecutor. This 2016 campaign fundraiser invitation for then State's Attorney candidate Kim Foxx and a check for $1,000, just the latest chapter in the Jussie Smollett saga.
I don't know where this case is going. I'm going to take it one step at a time. I got to master the facts.
That's Dan Webb last month after he was tapped as special prosecutor, tasked with taking another look at the handling of the Smollett investigation. The actor is accused of lying to police and staging his own racist and homophobic attack. The charges were later dropped by State's Attorney Kim Foxx's office.
To restore the public's confidence in the integrity of our criminal justice system.
Webb will certainly be looking into Foxx's office, and before raising his right hand, Webb told the judge he did not know Kim Foxx and, to his recollection, never met Kim Foxx. But that 2016 campaign flyer shows that Webb's firm not only hosted the event, Webb's name is right there on the invite. He even signed a personal check for $1,000 to her campaign.
That's a pretty big disclosure to make at this point in time. At the very least, it's an oversight.
In this court filing, Webb says he has no recollection of making the contribution, and it was Foxx's attorney who told Webb last week. Tonight, she's collecting more donations in Chicago, holding a fundraiser at a River North restaurant as she gears up for her re-election campaign.
If I wrote a check for $1,000 to a political candidate, I would remember it. He did disclose it promptly. It'll be interesting to see if Judge Tooman thinks it's a major issue.
And Kim Foxx saying in a statement tonight that on Tuesday of last week, my campaign staff notified me that Dan Webb had contributed $1,000 to my campaign in October 2016. Mr. Webb was notified that same day, and my office continues to cooperate fully with the investigation. Now, Dan Webb, he requested a hearing for the end of this week. Legal analyst Irv Miller, who you just heard from, says Judge Tooman could decide to remove Webb as special prosecutor, but believes that is unlikely to happen. The judge could also just simply hear both sides out and move on. The court filing also reveals that Foxx does not intend on claiming any kind of conflict of interest. In the newsroom tonight, Charlie DeMar, CBS 2 News. Brad.
All right, Charles, thank you.